your first duty as a husband. I say your first duty as a husband. By the end of this video, you go sabi your first duty as a husband. I discover say many people don't know the first duty where they supposed to perform as a husband. So at the end of this video today, you go sabi your first duty. The first duty of a husband now to parent your wife. Most of them, when they watch, now still they surprise why a father they escort wife to the wedding venue or maybe to the marriage. That is transfer of leadership. And now this thing I make why when woman marry, she they change her name to her husband name. Because you are now the father. In fact, the first child of every married man, now wife, not be the picking where they first born. So if you never know this thing, make you know say you don't know I'm today for this channel. So your first duty as a husband is to parent that your wife. You go teach them things. Check for Bible what happen. Eve no day the time when God tell her and say don't eat this fruit and the rest. Now Eve now teacher. And now this thing I follow why for some part of Corinthians when they say don't ask question for church. Ask your husband at home. Because it's assumed that the first duty of a man is to parent. And what it be parenting? Parenting is to teach values to your wife. You see women, women make una no vessel. This channel, one thing about me, I they talk and the way it be and I they talk truth. So make you know say today I they support men. No, now the truth I they talk. If women, parent women well, they are bound to make mistakes. A typical woman, they self-centered. But they accuse men say they selfish. That them they self-centered person. What happened to Eve and Adam still they happen for many marriages. Adam no day to consistently insist on the values when he don't talk. Say now what God talk. Eve bring on. Now what did they happen for many marriages today? Men go marry, no go parent their wife. The standard and the value system where they supposed to put for their wife, woman go begin to do what he no supposed to do. It gets some marriages because man no performing first duty of parenting the wife. Husband go come back, woman don't put mouth for what he no supposed to put. Cause problem, they wait for a guy. Your first duty not be to buy car, give madam, not be to give her the latest hairstyle, the latest dress style. Carry him go the big outing and the rest. Parent her to get values. You don't read Proverbs 31, the virtuous wife. They say the heart of the husband is with the woman. That's why she excel well. Wait till be that heart, the man teach her better things. Your duty as a husband is to parent your wife. Parent, teach value system. One area where you teach leadership. How things supposed to be. The problem we'll get for society now be say, when we get with us now, be say, men don't know what to teach. Man, make I tell you, before you go fit parent your wife as your first child, you must know your value. Your value comes by knowing your purpose. Waiting God create you to come do. You must know. Because I always tell people, say the purpose of marriage not be to born picking. Born picking a byproduct. Build house. Build big house. Good, but a byproduct. The purpose of marriage now for a man to know in purpose, a woman know in purpose. Two of them come together because there is complement. The purpose agree. And they marry, begin pursue purpose to fulfill purpose. You still there alive today now because you get what God wants to make you do. So the first duty of a man now to parent. How you go parent? You go parent and say, see, this is how you do things. This is how I want us to behave in this neighborhood. Some women, they cause problem for neighborhood because the man no parent them enough, no set standard. Parenting simply means say you the set standard of behavior and action. I want for this neighborhood one day. I know one quarrel. I know 1 year say, they say my wife, I come back one day, yes, say my wife talk like this, my wife talk like this. They no sabi parent them say, see how it go be with our in-laws. See how it go be with job. See how we go save. See how it go be. Men, they accuse some pastors, say some pastors, they carry their wife, they focus on pastor ministry past them. No, they give attention to them. You know why they happen? You know get purpose when she go help you fulfill. You know get direction. You know the parent her. So you will parent her areas of leadership. Culture of respect, you go teach her. You go even teach her how to relate with in-laws, how to relate with men. Make I tell you something. Sorry for saying this. For marriage, before you marry as a woman, you get plenty power. That power na the power to choose, make a choice. When you marry, the power when you get na to be attractive and adapt and they adjust to your husband. Now, men's world. Some men, because they no parent their wives well, their wife well, they get issues. Anywhere they go. I don't want to go talk politics, talk the one when people go begin insult me for comment section. He get one president where they say he lose election, second tenor for Nigeria. People say they no vote because of the way in wife they talk, they command people. See, in a men's world, see, your first duty as a man, not to parent. See, if you parent your wife well, parenting your own children when you go born, the other children when you and your wife go born will be simple work. Because she go apply those things when you teach her. Remember what a book of Proverbs talk? He say a father make the rules, but the wife teach the children the rules. So your first duty as a husband, I beg, parent your wife well. Take time, teach your wife. I know some men when they marry, after marriage, they know they talk to their brothers because they know parent their wife well. Their wife no one see them. See if you know parent your wife well, your wife no go even agree, make you give person a plate of food if they visit you. If you know parent your wife well, it go even hard say you carry money they help because she go tell you say where the money they won't go help other people when we never take care of this house, take care of my children. Before you go give outsiders, give me, make I take care of my children. See, in life, we are created to impact lives. We impact with our time and our resources. Not be say we get too much time or too much money when we need to give. We just have to give. You understand me? I know some men who don't be stingy men because they marry. And they say, now wife, cause them. Make I tell you, not be wife, they make man stingy. Now man, they choose to be stingy. Because if him parenting wife well, she no go dey stingy. And they tell you nothing but the truth. See, let me tell you something. Women get great influence on man, not deny them. There is this saying I hear. Women rule the men that rule the world. Now, it be the truth. Men now they rule the world, but now women they rule the men where they rule the world. And if you know, take time parent your wife, she go they rule you wrongly, and as well you go rule the world wrongly. Take time, I beg. Your first duty as a wife, your first duty as a husband, now to take time, sit down, plan how you go parent your wife. Because that your wife, when you marry, now she be your first child. I don't talk him before. That's why they talk him again. I beg. I beg you. I beg. Take time, parent your wife very well. It will really help you. Because I don't see husbands when no parent their wives well. Their brothers and sisters no fit come their house. No let the wife people they come their house. Now, if today na the first time when they watch my video, go comment section, comment first time. And if you do ever watch maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or more of my videos, go comment regular. So that I will tell you thank you because I really appreciate you. I will come comment section, talk to you, say thank you for there. I beg, parent your wife. Focus on parenting your wife after marriage first. Not be to buy big car, not be to shower her with too many gifts. Before you rush, give and belly bomb pikin, parent her so that she go help you parent those children well. Because you know why? Now, wife, they stay with children. Now, she get the highest influence on the children. Because who be parent? Parent now will get plenty influence for the life of a child.